Hi everyone and welcome back to FM YouTube channel with Sanjay Marathe sir. FM means full marks. Everyone wants full marks but lack of proper guidance they couldn't get full marks in the exam. Today we are going to learn one of the most important topics, that is report writing. Let us understand what is a report writing. Important tips for report writing, format of report writing, marking scheme of report writing, and actual demo of report writing. Dear students, you will be asked news report for 5 marks in the examination. It is based on the given headline. Now first you understand what is report. A report is a factual description or information of some event or incident that has already taken place. Look at the two words event and incident. An event is decided and arranged in advance. It is pre-planned types of program. Example, Republic Day, science exhibition, blood donation camp, etc. Incident. Incident occurring without warning. It happens suddenly. Example, floods, bomb blast, accident, theft, earthquake, fire, etc. Report may be written for a school magazine, journals and newspaper. Remember one of the important tips for report writing. Title or heading, it must be write in present tense only, or you can write as it is. I suggest you that the title should be catchy, attractive. It must draw the attention of the readers. Heading must be right in the middle of the first line. Use past tense only. A report is generally about the past event or incident. Therefore, you must write in the past tense only. Clear, concise and formal. You should write a report in exact details of an event or incident. Passive voice construction. Try to use passive voice construction while writing the report. Do not use first, second person pronoun. Always use third person pronoun he, she, it and they. 3 paragraphs are expected. First para should be dateline and intro. Second para should be details of event and incident. Third para should be conclusion. Let's look at the news report format. Read the following headline and prepare a news report with the help of given points. You will be provided a headline in the activity sheet. Tiger attacks 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Format of the report writing. A news report includes the following. 1. Heading or title. It must be right in the present tense. You must write heading in the middle of the first line. It should be catchy and attractive. It must grab the attention of the readers. Heading contains the event name. Second, byline. A byline is the name of the person who wrote the report. For school report, you have to write by student's reporter. Name of the reporter is not applicable for newspaper reports. You can write by staff reporter. Second, dateline. You should write place, month and date. Example, Mumbai, June 10, put colon. Third, intro, lead line. It is the first para of a news report. It must include 4 W's, means WH question words. What exactly happened? Where did it happen? Who was involved in the incident? When did it happen? Fourth, short continuing paragraph. You have to explain details of event or incident, how and why the incident happened. You can add additional information relevant to report but stick to points of news. Fifth, conclusion. You have to summarize the topic. Use remarks or quote. You will need to include at least one quotation from someone or witness who was part or present of the incident or event. When you are dealing with events report, example, suppose the event is about the exhibition, so you can write, it was an excellent exhibition, said education officer or chief guest or principal, and put the quote in double inverted comma. Distribution of marks for report writing. It is for 5 marks. Title and beginning 1 mark. Vocabulary and grammar 1 mark. Use of appropriate points, example, conveying message 2 marks. Logical order and conclusion 1 mark. Now look at the actual demo of the news report. Look at the heading, Tiger attacks 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. It is in the present tense and put in the middle of the first line. Byline is by staff reporter. Dateline, write the place, month and date. Intro, in the intro, answer all the WH question. What exactly happened? Tiger attacked. Where did it happen? Goregaon at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Who was involved in the incident? 8 years old boy. When did it happen? On Sunday evening. Short continuing para. You have to write details of how did it happen and why did it happen in details. Conclusion. Remarks. It could be future related. The forest officer ordered to inquire about the incident and assured to keep guard, CCTV camera and boundary wall between the park and human habitat.